Hey, Louis, did you know that Minnie's going to occasionally send you little videos in your car, and you know where you're going to find them? Right over here. Somewhere like this one right here. Celebrate Minnie. And then other times it'll pop right up when you start your car, or sometimes you'll see it slide up from the bottom when you turn your car off, along with the feature where you can turn off the alarm for being on a ferry or something else bumpy, or if you're going to leave a dog in your car, or when there's an upgrade ready for installation, like in this car right now.